Hello, okay, so this video is for replacing one of the light sockets for the GU10 style bulbs. So first you're going to have the bulb inside of the hood. So when you have it in there, you just want to apply pressure to it and then twist it counterclockwise so that the little prongs will twist out of the little circular socket there, and then you'll pull the light out. And then if you look inside here, you just have two screws that are holding the socket to the little bracket right up here. So I've loosened one of the screws, and I'm going to finish loosening the other one. So just a Phillips head screwdriver. You just want to make sure that when you're doing it, just apply some good pressure, pushing in or pushing up if it's already installed, just so that you don't accidentally strip one or both of these screws, because then it'll make it much more difficult to take out, obviously. And then once you have the screws done, then if you look inside here, you're going to have a white clip connector on either side. So you just use your two hands, obviously. You're going to grab it. Switch hands. Grab the connector, push the side here, and then pull it apart. And then there we go. And once you have the two screws loosened, then you just pull the socket down, and then the plug will come through the little opening there. And so you'll have this new socket here. So just push it back in, and then turn it so that the holes are sideways to line up with the screw holes in the bracket. Put the screws back in nice and tight, and then I'll just put the light back in so that the prongs line up, and then twist it into place. Alright, so we hope that helps. Let us know if you need any more information, and have a great day.